How's it going today? What are you guys doing?
We're going to play with all my sharks and orcas.
Awesome. What did we call it? We called it an aquarium beach party?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. We got some hot dogs and pizza and waffles. Ooh, a fruit salad. Ooh.
And that.
I see some pie. Very cool. What animal do you have in your hand?
Black shark.
Ooh, that's pretty
Black
cool.
shark?
Wade, what do you have in your hand? Sit. What do you have?
This one is a megalodon.
Very good. All right, you want to pick up some of the other ones?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Lucas.
Careful. Ooh,
This is boy.
very cool. How many orcas do we have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay, good job. What do you have in your hand?
Come back.
Wow, that's so cool. And then what else do you have over there? What else do you have right here? The yellow one?
Lemon shark.
Wow. All right, it's really cool. Now it's time for us to have real lunch. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, say goodbye to everyone.
But we have to wash our hands.
Oh, you wash your hands before you eat. Very good idea. All right, show us how you do it. Careful over there. You're so silly. Okay, can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Mommy, that one good to eat.
Okay. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.